Good morning, students. Today I am telling you grammar class 7 degree of comparison. Adjective change in form to show comparison. They have three degree of comparison, namely positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Example: he is young, she is good. In this way, the comparative degree is used when two person or thing are compared. The comparative degree is used when two person or thing are compared. Example: he is younger than Suresh. We use then with the comparative degree of an adjective. That is more example: Hina is more intelligent than any other girls in the class. The word other is used here to show that Hina is comparison to other girl is more intelligent. The word other shows that she is not included among other girls, considered as one group. But we cannot use them when we write Hina is more intelligent of the two girls. In this way, now the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used when more than two person or things of the same class are compared. Example: he is the youngest in the family. More than two members in family are being compared. This is superlative degree. Superlative degree has been used. The article the is used with the superlative degree. Most important thing is that the is used with the superlative degree. I give you more example: the shortest, the highest, the most courageous, the most beautiful. We do not use double superlative in one sentence. Example: most tallest. Most is the superlative and tallest is also most superlative degree. So you cannot use most brightest, most in brightest, such as this is incorrect word. A plain superlative can be made emphatic by using intensifiers such as very much, by far. He is the very best of all the dancer in the school. In school, adverbs such as easily, decidedly, undoubtedly are sometimes used before the superlative degree. Example: this is undoubtedly the best hotel in the sky. Such as in this way, remember, only adjective of quality have degree of comparison, not adverb. Such as positive degree, comparative degree, as superlative: sweet, sweeter, sweetest, small, smallest, smallest, fat, fatter, fattest, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, wine, winer, finest, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest, sad, saddest, saddest, easy, easier, easiest, happy, happier, happiest, good, better, best, lazy, lazier, laziest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Now, by placing more and most before positive to form comparative and superlative degree, the word is more big words such as courageous, more courageous, and most courageous. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Irregular comparison. The compare and superlative form of some adjective are not formed from the positive degree. Some example of the irregular comparison are followed: good, well, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, many, more, late, later, latest, far, further, furthest. Some of the example, that is change, very, another form: good, better, best. Good is word and better another, and best. But same words, the meaning is one. and same meaning. Correct use of some adjective. Use of many, much. Many is used in countable noun with such as I kept many pencil in drawer. He lived here for many months. But much is used uncountable noun with uncountable noun such as there is much milk in jug. She experienced much thrill when she went for adventure sports. Use of some, any. Some is used in sentences that are in affirmative when any is generally used in negative sentence. Some is used generally affirmative and any is used generally negative, structure negative sentence. She has brought some orange. She has not brought any orange. In this use negative and this are positive use.